Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and you may have had the issue before when you turn on your truck and all of a sudden your audio is just blasting. Whether it's the radio or your Bluetooth, it's much higher than the level that you had it at when you first turned off your truck. So why is it jumping up to that level? Well, if you go here on your home screen, you go to settings, go down to sounds, there's such a thing as your maximum startup volume. So if you click into that, you'll see that typically it's actually set, now mine is adjusted, but typically yours will be set at about halfway up, so which is why it's so high. But what you do is you take it down to that level there, and then hit back again, go back home, and then all you have to do is turn off your vehicle, step out of your vehicle, and then lock it. Now you can just wait for a couple minutes, then you can unlock it again. Get back in, turn it on, and your audio is at a low level. If you go back to your sounds, maximum startup volume, and it's at the low level that you set it at before. So there you go. That is how you keep your maximum startup volume to stay low after you've set it low. Now, an issue that you run into a lot is you set it low and you go back, or you hit the X and X out of it, and you turn it on and it is back where you had it before, or where the computer had it before, back at the halfway point, and it's blaring again. And what you have to do is do what I did earlier, and that is set it, go back, turn off the vehicle, lock the doors, unlock, and start back up, and it will be at the level that you want it at. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully this will keep your radios from blaring when you don't want them to. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.